Hey there, how's your development journey going on? Are you facing some issues while trying to build your website on HubSpot? Today we are going to ease up this process a little bit more for you, and we are going to tell you how you can set up navigation in your HubSpot website. So if you want to change the navigation on a HubSpot website, what you need to do is change the menus on that page. This can be done via two methods. Firstly, what you need to do is go to the website page itself. So we can do this by clicking on marketing, then you click on website and then click on website pages. Once that is done, go to the page that you want to edit. For example, I want to edit the details page. I click on edit over here. Then when the page is opened up, this is the global content in the header, which can be opened up in the global content editor. So once the page is open up, let's just click on edit this module. So here in the menu, we have the default customer portal menu, and you can also create a new menu over here, or you can click on edit in order to edit this menu. So we can click on edit, and then you will get the option to edit and change this menu. So here, as can be seen, we have this home section, then we have the home test page. It's linked to different pages on our website. So we also have some child level items going on over here. And so there's this section which is non-clickable. And besides every link, there's a thing called as actions, wherein you get options to add child item below, add an item below, clone an item, or open it up in editor. When you add new things to your navigation, you can add an item without link, add a page link with URL parameters, something like your campaign parameters, question mark, UTM, and all of that stuff. And then you can also add a URL link over here. And this is how you can add menu items to your navigation. And when you go to the actual page itself where you are editing, here you can choose the different menus you have, or you can edit your existing menu or create a new menu. And this is how you can change navigation on a HubSpot website. So guys, I hope this was crystal clear and you learned something new today. And in case you have any doubts, feel free to reach out to us via the comments below, or you can book a free one-on-one consultation call with us. And we, the people here at CTA9, would be more than happy to assist you. And I will see you guys soon in the next video.